Hi everybody, this is Rebecca Keppel. I'm here to share with you the Queen & Co. Black Friday bundles that are available right now. I'm going to show you a bunch of things that are on sale and then you can go check them out over in the shop. Okay, the first thing that they have are word dies sets. These are really nice scripty sentiment sets. They cut really beautifully. Cardstock, I've even cut fun foam out of them. The different sets have different types of words in them. One has a bunch of different types of greetings like sending condolences, dream, anniversary, bright, merry, sparkle. And then the other set that I had to share with you has, let's see, it has all the seasons, and then it has anniversary, birthday, happy. So these sets, like I said, they cut beautifully out of cardstock or out of fun foam or other things. And I want to show you a couple of samples that we created using these scripty dies, and just look at how adorable they are. I've even seen them on layouts. They just look so pretty on projects. So this one was autumn wishes, this one is winter wishes, and again, they just fit really nicely on cards, tags, and even layouts. The next thing I want to show you is the Bubbles basket. It comes with this adorable little shopping cart. The wheels actually turn. It looks just like a regular shopping cart. The shopping cart comes in green or pink, but we're going to choose the color for you. It's just a random, so you can't pick your color there. Inside, you have a bunch of bubbles. We have the iridescent bubbles here in a rainbow of colors. These add a lot of dimension and shine to any of your projects. And then these are the candy bubbles, candy shop bubbles that again are just in a rainbow of colors, again offering lots of dimension and shine. And then I just wanted to show you that they fit right in that little basket, which I think is so adorable. My daughter is already trying to steal my basket off my desk, but I think it's going to stay on my desk for a while because it looks so cute. And again, you can use these bubbles to create a rainbow on cards. I love the look of the bubbles in the center of these little butterflies on this card here. The next bundle we have for you is the glitter paper bundle. Our glitter paper is very popular. It sells out quickly. It is a nice thin glitter paper. The glitter stays on the paper. It's not going to come off. It's not going to get on your hands, on your desk, on your dog, on your cat. It's just going to stay on the paper. And you can see all the beautiful colors that you get in this bundle pack. Everything from gold to blue to red to purple to green. Like I said, the glitter is going to stay. It's nice and thin, so it die cuts beautifully. I even use it just right in my paper trimmer, and I'm just going to trim it down so that I can run it through my die cut machine, and you can just see how easy it is to trim through that glitter paper. It is not too thick at all. It is self-adhesive, which is really nice. So once you die cut it, I'm using the little stars dies here, and once you die cut it, then you just have to peel off that protective backing there, and you have yourself a little die cut glitter sticker. And you can see that I created a sample here using the leaves dies to create a really pretty glitter leaf. The next bundle is the Tulle flower bundle. These Tulle flowers are some of my favorite. I love that you get two different types of Tulle flowers in each package, and oftentimes the hue is slightly different between the different types. So you have these glitter and then the plain Tulle. And you can see like in the blue, you get a light blue and then a medium blue, and the purple you get kind of a lavender and then a dark purple. And here are some samples using those. Again, they're just lovely on cards, on tags. You could even put these on gift packages, on home decor. The next bundle is the Gingham flower bundle. Again, I love the gingham flowers, and then there's also solid color flowers, and I like how you get, again, two different hues of colors. It just gives you a lot more options when you're creating, and of course they come in the full rainbow of Queen & Co. colors, the whole Roy G. Biv. And here's a few samples using those gingham flowers as well. Again, they look perfect on cards, on tags. These would be great on home decor signs. There's just so many options to using these. You could even sew them onto t-shirts, and I think they would be adorable. The next bundle is the Bobbins Box. and there are going to be 18 unique trims inside your box. The styles are chosen randomly, but the colors will be in a rainbow assortment. So you can see here that I have them, they're still all in the package. I'm going to show you what the box looks like when they're open and unpackaged, but I just wanted to show you how it's going to come, and you're going to get everything from possibly twine to rickrack to cord. There's so many styles of trim that Queen & Co. does, and they all come in a rainbow of colors. So you're going to get a rainbow assortment for sure, and then an assortment of different types of trim as well, which is really fun to have on hand. And then of course you'll also have the little storage box, which is that cute little glitter storage box with the window at the top. So all these different trims just give you so many different textures when you're creating, and that's why I like to have a variety of trims when I'm making cards or tags or other types of projects. So let me show you some amazing projects that were created with all the different types of Queen & Co. trim. You can see everything from layouts to cards. You can create lollipops out of twine, butterflies out of twine, cord rainbows. Really, the options are only limited by your imagination, especially with trim on paper projects. The next bundle is the Glue Heart Bundle, and for this one you're going to be able to create this adorable little button heart for a card or a project, and I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So you get an entire assortment of buttons in rainbow, and so everything from pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then you get these shaped hearts of glue. I'm going to peel off that top protective layer, and that's going to expose the heart-shaped glue. And then I'm going to start pressing those buttons right into that glue, which is in the shape of the heart. You can see this is super, super easy. And it's like the glue is cut for you in the shape of the heart. Everything is ready to go at your fingertips to create the cutest little rainbow button heart. So I love this project because I, have tried to do things like this in the past, but this is so much easier because the glue is right there, cut to the shape that you need, and all you have to do is press a bunch of buttons in. You could do a heart in all one color. You could do a rainbow heart like I'm doing here. And then when you have some little teeny tiny spaces, you can reach into your stash of bubbles if you got the bubble basket and fill in some little areas there. You could fill in with seed beads, or because those little spots are open, I'm going to show you what I decided to do was pour some nice silver sparkly iridescent glitter in between there, and it just fills up those open spots really, really nicely. So now I'm going to create a card. This is just from my stash, some cardstock from my stash. I layered some white over black cardstock, a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card, and then I peel off my button heart and lay it right down on my card or project. So you could use this on a layout. You could grab some twine or trim from your Bobbins Box bundle and tie a little bow around the heart. I thought the black cord looked really cute around the heart, especially with that matted black cardstock that I created. The other thing that you could do is use your word dies from that word die bundle if you bought that as well, and you could create a sentiment for this card. And I decided to do that with the "You Are Amazing" sentiment. And then I'm going to take this whole panel and put it on a top folding 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch note card that I created out of white cardstock. I'm just going to glue that down. So the things that come in that bundle are the buttons and the heart-shaped glues. Everything else I added with my trim and my sentiment dies and my own cardstock. And that was it, though. So easy to create this really, really amazing and fun card. I think that any recipient would love to receive this. And it was just super, super easy to do. Okay, the next bundle is the Pom Pom Gumball Bundle. Again, this is a kit where everything is included pretty much. So what you do is you punch everything out here. You have some layering pieces. You have your little gumball machine. It's die cut. And you're just going to punch it out. And I have the hello letters as well. There's also pom-poms in there and stickers that say hello. and then a little, again, a shaped glue that is half the size of the pom-pom glass. What I'm doing right now is just taking a nail file and just kind of smoothing off those edges. Sometimes when you pop out those die cuts, they have little kind of hanging chads on them, and some people don't like the way that looks. So if you just use a little nail file, you can just sand them right down. Okay, now I'm going to put my little gumball machine together, and I'm going to use that little strip of rainbow pattern paper at the bottom there. So there is a little sample card that shows you exactly how you can put it together. Of course, you can get creative if you prefer. What I love about this kit is that it comes in a rainbow of colors. So the gumball machine comes in different colors in the kit. I think everything from pink to yellow to green to blue, and I'm working on the yellow one right now. Okay, so I just laid down that little piece of glue that is half the shape of the gumball machine, peeled off the top protective layer, and then all I have to do is press my little pom-poms into it the same way that I pressed the buttons into the heart-shaped adhesive in the last bundle. Isn't that so cute? Those little pom-poms are like the little gumballs. So now the only thing that was left for me to do here is to adhere my letter stickers, and I probably should have just grabbed a ruler and done them straight that way. Instead, I was kind of fussing with them and moving them up and down, but they are just really, really cute rainbow stickers that say hello. Again, from my stash, I grabbed a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch top folding note card, and I'm just going to use some tape runner to adhere this card panel right down to the card. And of course, you could use the little gumball machine or even the whole panel in a scrapbook layout or, you know, on a tag. So really, again, the sky's the limit. It's just your imagination, and just have some fun with it. I thought it would also be cute to have some gumballs kind of just hanging out on the side there. So that's just another option. There's really enough of those little pom-poms in there to do some fun things with it as well. So that is another just really, really simple card kit, really easy to put together. I really like how cute that comes out. They would be great for, you know, lunchbox notes or just sending a friend hello card. And so I really, really love this kit. It's super, super easy. If you don't have a lot of time, but you want to put together a bunch of cards, even to give as a little gift, I think this would be the bundle to go with. So the very last thing that I have to show you is this actual little gumball machine that holds pom-poms. This is free with orders over $75 only while supplies last, and you guys, it's gonna go fast. So if you want one, you have to head over there now. You can open up the bottom here and put more pom-poms in. It does come with an assortment of pom-poms, and then you can actually turn the little handle there and a pom-pom will come out. And you can see I got those out, and I'm just gonna pop them back in there, and it's just the cutest little thing for your desktop or just to hold your pom-poms. So I hope you enjoyed checking out all these different Black Friday bundles that are happening at Queen & Co. And I hope you'll run over there now and do a little Black Friday shopping. Enjoy!